What in the whole hell is going on? For real. Fix it, Holy Spirit. Activate. What the hell? Is he serious? This don't make no sense. Why? Why? And it's what time? What time is it? Almost 1 o'clock and I should be sleeping. But I can't. Because I'm listening to this freight train coming through my ear every 5 minutes. And he ain't even budging. Who the hell makes that much noise and stay asleep? Whop! I'm gonna put his tail out. You finna go in the other room with all that, buddy. Buddy. And he don't run over there, got the piece over there beside him. He ain't gonna hear nothing. Oh Lord, let me go eat me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is ridiculous. This just don't make no sense. Hot mess and a half. Wake your tail up with all that snoring. What the fuck? How you sleeping like that? Oh my God.